Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. It's very easy. First come here to Binance and log in to your account. And from here what I want you to do guys, once you're in, I want you to click on your wallet right here and then go to fiat and spot, and then I want you to go ahead and click on the transfer button. And from here what you need to do is transfer your assets, okay? Whatever assets you have that you want to sell, whatever crypto, from fiat and spot to funding, because from funding we can access the P2P market and sell there. So send it to funding, whatever coin it is, whatever the amount it is, click on confirm. And then now I want you to go and copy a Revolut tag. So go to Revolut, come here at the top left and click on your profile icon. And from here you can go ahead and click on this to copy your Revolut tag. And then what you do guys here from Binance here, you click on trade, click on P2P. Okay, we're going to be accessing the P2P market. And from here, what I need you to do is click more, click on payment methods and add a new payment method. So we're going to be adding our Revolut bank details. Okay, so all you need to do to add your Revolut account is choose that from the method, okay, and add your Revolut tag. If you have a phone number, you can do that as well, and then just go ahead and click on confirm. And then what you do is you come to the P2P market again, click on sell, okay, choose Revolut from the payment options, and choose a seller with a good completion rate and a lot of orders with a decent price, and then you can come here and click on sell USDT. Okay, go ahead and do that. Review carefully guys the instructions. Make sure you do everything correctly, okay, and just go ahead and pay. Right, they're gonna pay to you, and once you've received the money, right, you select how much you want to sell. They'll show you how much you'll receive. You select Revolut as your payment method, and once they pay you, okay, then you release the funds to them. But otherwise, really that easy and simple. If you found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.